How was Angkor Wat built by hand so magnificently? Imagine a time when all construction was done without modern tools, yet the result is a masterpiece that still amazes us today. That's what makes Angkor Wat so extraordinary. Built in the 12th century in Cambodia, it took about 35 years to complete. Thousands of workers, including skilled artisans, laborers, and elephants, worked tirelessly to create this marvel. The Khmer kings wanted a symbol of their divine power and devotion, and they poured incredible effort into its construction. The main materials used were sandstone and laterite. Sandstone was quarried from the nearby Phnom Kulen mountain, about 50 kilometers away. Workers used wooden sledges and rollers to move these heavy stones. Elephants played a vital role in hauling the massive blocks along the river and across land. The sandstone blocks were carefully cut and shaped with primitive tools made of metal and stone. These blocks could weigh several tons each, and moving them required precise planning and teamwork. The construction process involved building a solid foundation by excavating trenches and filling them with compacted earth and laterite. This foundation kept the entire structure stable for centuries. The walls and towers were built with interlocking sandstone blocks, which distributed the weight evenly. This technique made the structure resistant to earthquakes and weathering. The architects also used corbel arches, stacking stones in a stepped pattern that gradually narrowed at the top. This method helped support the weight of the upper structures and added to the stability of the temple. Drainage was another key aspect. Engineers designed an extensive system of channels and basins to manage water flow, preventing flooding and water damage. This was especially important because Angkor Wat was surrounded by a large moat and set within a complex water management system. The entire project was a massive effort that reflected the advanced engineering skills of the Khmer civilization. It was not just a religious site but also a political statement of power and devotion. The construction involved thousands of workers, many of whom worked for years, often living on site in simple villages. Their dedication created a structure that has stood for over 900 years and continues to inspire millions today. Today, Angkor Wat is recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a sacred landmark that draws visitors from all over the world. Its construction by hand, using simple tools and incredible teamwork, remains a shining example of human ingenuity and craftsmanship.